Hello everyone and welcome to Agile Tech. Agile Tech. And in this video we're going to be looking at the CIE IGCSE ICT Paper 3 website authoring May-June 2019. The course code for ICT is 0417 and we're looking at the first variant. Okay, so let's dive into this. Let's quickly check the evidence document. I'm not sure, probably I skipped it or something, but let me just quickly check it to see if this is done. Probably I'm going to open it in the background. Okay, yep, that is done. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me see. So we're creating a new word. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead to website authoring. Okay, web page. A new style is to be added to a style sheet to meet the specification. Okay, style hisses must be 14:6-point right align font. It must be set to Arial or select the browser default sans serif font if Arial is not available. This was created. Okay, so we have the font family, we have the size, and we have the text align. Evaluate in your own words, how effectively this CSS meets the specification for the style. We're going to type this in our evidence tree and we're going to talk about it. Okay, so let's evaluate it. Now, looking at this, okay, we can probably see that in the text align, I'm pretty sure this is not how the text align is being spelled. Okay, so obviously this is not going to work. But let's look at the evidence document and then let's see. So text align obviously is misspelled and this is 1L. Okay, so probably this is not going to work, and it will never open the default sans serif font as this after Arial. And this was something that we saw here, because the font family should be a comma and not a semicolon. Okay, so it's not going to work. Okay, so we have noticed one, the spellings, the semicolon, and we have ineffective as it is a class, not a style. Remember, this is a class, a dot. Remember, it's a dot h6, which is not a style. So this is not going to work as well. Okay, and the font size statement is incorrect, and the font size statement is correct and it works. Okay, that we're evaluating it. If the font size is correct, it's going to work, and font family will be set to Arial if it's available. That's another thing. So if this is probably worked upon, it's going to be set to Arial as a default, right, if it's available. So I think that for covers it. Okay, so let's move on. I'm just going to save it. Save. Yeah, so let's go ahead. You're going to create a web page and edit a style sheet. For the special dict sales, many of the people who will view the web page has a very slow internet connection. The web page and style must work in any browser. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Create a new folder called the special dict sales SDS. Copy. So let's create a new folder. I'm going to create a folder here as my style has always been in all my videos. And I'm going to create this here, paste it, done. Locate the following files and store them in your SDS folders. Okay, so let's locate them. I think it's quite much, but let's see what we can do. How do we locate them? So I'm just going to do this, and this is 7. I'm going to cut this, Ctrl plus X if you're wondering what I did, and Ctrl plus V if you're also wondering what I did, right? All right. The S is for xylophone, the V is for van. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have 7 right here. Okay, all right, let's go ahead. Display the content of your SDS folder showing the folder name. Okay, so let's switch this to details. The folder name is there. All file names, the file name is there. Extension is also there. File size is there as well. Probably the only thing we are adding here is just the dimension. So let's do that. Do we have it here? Nope. So I'm just going to right click on sort, click on more, and I'm going to go for the dimension. D for dimensions. Okay, I'm going to add it here, and then we have it here. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is okay? Take a screenshot showing the content of your SDS folder and place this clearly visible. That's evidence 4. So I'm going to take the screenshot. Let me get my snipping tool. Okay, new. I'm going to open this right here. Okay, and this is going to be evidence 4. Bold evidence 4 here. I'm going to paste it here. Of course, I think it's clear enough. Probably I'm going to do this. Okay. Please let it be white background. Like I said, I'm doing this because this is just for practice sake, but please, your background has to be white. Okay, obviously I'm using a dark background. If you don't know how to change it, I'm quickly going to show you how to go about it. You can click here, go to settings, go to personalization, colors, and then we have it. You can change it right here. Okay. And I can probably adjust it like this. You know what? At this point, it's clear enough. Please always use the edges here, 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 and here to adjust your image. Please don't use this, okay? Please, or this is wrong, okay? Your edges. All right, let's go ahead. Create a web page called sds.html. HTM. So let's create it. I'm going to open my expression. Okay. Close this. Click on file, a new HTML. I'm going to save it. Save as. Okay. SDS. Okay. Just to be sure. Yeah, we have it here. I'm going to go back, guys. Copy this. This is going to be my title. Okay, except stated otherwise. There are times they give you a title. There are times they don't give you a title. What's happening? I'm going to go to my code. I think my laptop is being slow today. I don't really know. Okay, we have this. Okay, so let's go ahead. Alright, so we have this table here. This web page must work in all browsers, and we have a table structure as shown below. Looking at this, okay, we have to look for the width. This is 1, 2, 3 rows. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 columns. How many rows? One, two rows. Okay, so 3 columns, 2 rows. No, no, not. This is 1, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. 3 columns, 5 rows. Okay. Set the width. Come, let me check if they give us the width of the. They didn't give us the width. Okay, guys, they didn't give us the width. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna use our imagination right now. Yeah. As funny as that sounds, we have to do a little calculation. So, what do we do? If from here to here is 700, and from here to here is 400, 700 plus 400 is 1100. Okay, so obviously this is going to be 1100. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a table. This is 3 columns, this is 5 rows. I want to be sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 columns, and it's going to be pixels. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. So we're going to deal with the A part, okay, because each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixels. Okay, so we're going to merge all two. So I'm going to right click, modify, merge. What am I merging again? I'm just merging only this part here. Right click, modify, merge. Okay, and I'm merging this part. I want to be sure. Yes. Right click, modify, click on merge. All right. So let's add the dimensions to it. 400 by 770. So right click, go to cell properties. I'm not going to specify the width. I'm going to specify only the height. Okay. So it's 770. 770. Whoa. Okay. This is the height here is going to be 170. No, I'm specifying the width as well. Guys, I should have specified the width. Let me specify the width. Cell properties. I'm going to specify the width to be 400. Okay, 400. Yes. Okay, now we could see the difference. I'm going to specify this place 700 by 170. Okay, right click, cell property. The width is 700. The height is 170. Okay, just want to be sure. Apply. Okay, that 170 seems too big. Okay, but let's go ahead. This other one is 3. Okay, this is 300, and if we check here, this makes it 700. So we are correct. This is 344. Right here, right click, cell properties. The width is 344 and the height is 600 in pixels. Okay, so obviously this other part, I'm just going to highlight it like this. So what I'm going to do is this. Now, if you check here, you will see that we still have some part that we still have some TRs. This is for the first one. This is the rule span, 4 rules that has been done, and this is for the rule span across. The first one, color span, and of course we have the other one. We have all these accounted for, nothing applied to them. We could do it right here, but also we could just do it at the design. Okay. All right, so let's click here. I'm going to hold my shift and my arrow down to select. Apparently all of them are the same. Okay, the 4 of them are the same. I'm going to start again. Hold my shift and arrow down. Okay, right click, cell properties. The width is 356. The height is 150. Okay. Apply. Okay. So apparently we have them as equals now because no really difference between them. So yeah, I think we're good to go. All right. Table borders must not appear on the final web page, and that's a 10 marks, guys. 10 marks. Set in cell A the image. Cell A, okay. sdsdix.jpg. Okay, so let me right here. So I can either click on insert and add pictures, or I can come right here, click here, come right here to add it. And for some reason it's taking me back. Let me just put that. Okay. Yeah, alternative texts are very helpful to me. I like it a lot, and I'm just gonna copy this, and it helps you so that when the pages, guys, I think my laptop is just being slow unnecessarily. Probably after this video I'm just gonna restart it. Yeah, I was actually using it as a tablet, so probably I just need to do that. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so I have this. Now there is a reason why we have to set the width. Let me just move this here. Why we have to set the width of this image to 400 pixels, maintain the aspect ratio, and now we can see this. If we check the quality of this image, that's quite large. So I'm going to click here, right click, click on picture properties, appearance. I'm going to make it 400 while maintaining aspect ratio. Okay, so obviously 400. Okay, now let's check the dimension of it. Let's check okay. Okay, this is better. And the reason why we're making it 400 because this is the weight of it. Okay, so we want the weight to, we want it to match it. Now if we switch here to the code view, you can see that in this particular row that have been merged, this is the alternative, this is the height, and this is the width. This is what they look at for, okay, in your exam. All right, let's go ahead. In cell B, the text, please, okay, enter in cell B the text. So let me enter this real quick. Copy. This is not looking good, guys. This is slow. It's affecting my video. All right, I'm just gonna manage it. I'm just gonna manage it in this video. All right. So the style we're given is set this to H1. So we're gonna set it to H1. Okay. Let's go ahead. Using the most appropriate image from SDS button 1 to button 4, place in the cell. Okay, C. So let me show. This is CEFG. CEFG. See the button to select cloud storage. Okay, so it's cloud. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. See right here. Okay, I'm just gonna click on right cloud right here. I'm just gonna copy this cloud storage. Copy. All right. The next one, E to select hard disk drive. Copy. Okay, that's HDD. Gonna paste this here. Solid state drive, which is a SSD. Copy. Click on the image. G, the button to contact the company. So I could just say contact the company. Okay, this is going to be for G. For some reason, I think I've not saved this because this keeps popping up. So, okay, so contact. Okay, you can just leave it there. All right, so I think we're good to go. Make sure the appropriate text is displayed if an image is not available. For some reason, we have done that. So this is a quick one mark. So that's an easy mark, right? So obviously, you have to give an alternative text. If we go back here, we're going to see what we're talking about. There have to be a form of alternative text to show for it. You see the image, this ALT means alternative, to show for it, just in case the page is not loading. That is, these are the texts that's going to show that these are the images for this particular cell. Okay, so if for one reason, slow internet connection, which was stated in the question, very clear. If we go up, we'll see that many of people who visit web page have a slow internet connection, so they want to see probably the alternative is going to like give them a picture to know the images that are going to be there. Okay, so in cell D, place the text from the file in cell D. Okay, so I'm going to open it with my notepad. I'm just going to right click, select all, copy, and go to my web expression design right here, and I'm going to paste it. Below the text, add the following new paragraph: updated by, new paragraph, your name, comma, center number, and your candidate number. Set the style as H2. Okay, it's done as H2. I want to be sure. Yeah. Attach the style sheet to this web page. So let's attach it to the web page. Now, there's so many ways to do it. You can do it here. You can come to here to do it. Format, style, and you can attach it here. Browse. Yes. Open. Okay, and this is gonna change. Okay, so let's work on it. H1, right click, click on modify style. Okay, so each one is, you know what, let me do it here. Okay, I'm going to right click, click on open, and I'm going to open the style so we can have an idea of what we're talking about. Okay, so the font family is going to be Aria, you see, okay, and your sans serif. Okay, H2, I'm going to modify it, apply it. Okay, okay, let's see, are we adding anything else? Okay, we are good. 52 point high. 52 is the point, applied. What again? It's going to be, okay, it's going to be italics. um that is going to be, is it box? No, block, I think block. Yeah, italic, just want to be sure, where will I find that? Italic, you just have to go through to just quickly check. Bold, italics, that should be, no, no. um, nope, this is for border. I think we should see font style. Yes, italics, that's the font style, sorry. Center line, that should be box, no, um block, center line, text align, yeah, okay, that should be block. um Color, set with, okay, let me just go to the font color. I'm just going to pick any color. Okay, set with no blue or red, but a green is set to 7, so RGB, so the G is going to be F7F. So I'm just going to make this 0, and right here I'm going to make it 7F. Okay, that's the green. I'm going to apply it. Okay, all right. What about, just want to be sure this is recording, yeah. H2. Okay, so we have something in H2, so let's quickly do it. Right click, modify. um it's set to area, okay, sans serif, fully justified. Okay, so that'll be block justified. Okay, so this is going to be apply. Okay, so if we go back, I'm just going to save this. If we go back now, we can have our work right here. We're also going to open it, so see what happens. Add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the start of the style sheet. Okay. So at the start of it, I'm going to add Agile NG, comma, AN 017, comma, 2023. Alright. And I'm going to click on file, click on save. Let's go on. Take a screenshot showing the content of your style sheet, evidence 5. Place this in your evidence document. Make sure that all content and file name are clearly visible. So we're going to take a screenshot right now. Okay, the file name have to be clearly visible. Very important for your mark, guys. Okay, this is going to be, just going to make this bold, evidence 5. I want to bold it. Okay. Okay, so we have this. So this is clearly visible. Obviously, this has not been saved, but you get the idea, right? So I'm just going to save this as well. Click on file, click on save. Display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible. So I'm going to open it. Click on file, preview in the browser. So we have this right here. Okay, and we have this right here. Okay, I think I'm just going to do this. So right here, I'm just going to add another break line. Okay, okay, space. Okay, now right here, so we have this. Good, I want this to be here. Okay, probably if I should go back and refresh, I should have this. I just want to make a difference. My name, center number is right here. Okay, all right, so what else? Take a screenshot of the browser window and place this in your evidence document. Now, you resize it. When you talk without resize it, you zoom in out so that all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read, the address bar is shown. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce it a bit because I want to take a single screenshot. Okay, new. Now, it's important that um, you know what? Let me do this. Okay. So so you know what I'm talking about. You need this to be this. This is what is expected to be seen. This, okay. So you can see the RL. This is the only thing that is meant to show. Okay. So I'm just going to do that right now, so you know what I'm talking about. Wait, yeah. So this is what I mean. They need to see the title of everything like this. Okay. And I think we're good to go here. Okay. So this is going to be what? Evidence 6. Okay. It's going to be evidence 6. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. Just as your goodness. Okay, so it's clear enough. So yeah, we have this. What else? Evidence. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. This is for evidence 7. Okay. Okay, so let me do that. Evidence 7. Okay, now I'm going to go to my code view. Right here at the top, I'm going to right click and select all, right click and copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, paste it as a plain text. It's going to be very long. What is happening to my... Okay, now I'm going to reduce it a bit. Yes. Okay, just follow me on this, and I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to remove the spaces after paragraph. Okay, this is better. Okay, probably I'm just gonna make it this, or probably just put it how many pages is it? No, so this can be less, can it? Just trying to see what we can do here. All right, so probably reduce. I can crop this, because obviously that is not what they want to see. They don't want to see spaces. I can crop this. Okay, that gives me more space to have. Okay, so we have this. Okay, what else are we doing? Yes, print your evidence document. This is going to be print out 4. I'm just going to copy this, copy, click on file, save, click on file, print. So 3 printouts, and they're legible, guys. So yep, I'm going to print this. This is fine by me. It's okay by me. And where are we saving it? Okay, I think we're just going to go back a bit, go back a bit, go back a bit, go back a bit. No, go back a bit, go back a bit, go back, go back a bit. Yeah, so this is going to be my printout 4, and I'm going to save it right here. So obviously in this video I've also printed the evidence document, so we can probably look at. Please always open your PDF, okay, before sending it. Don't just say I'm done. Okay, so always open it. For the sake of uniformity, I'm just going to take this off. Evidence 2, evidence 1. Except for the sake of uniformity, I'm going to save it again and print it again. Okay, so obviously this was in different videos, and yep, I'm just going to replace it. Okay, it's fine, and I'm going to open it again. So this is a new one, and we can check. Okay, it's clear. All right, so yeah, and this is just at 1 mark, so we are done. Yes, we're finally done. So please, it's important that you don't just watch. Please practice along with it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is loaded with so many materials. Trust me, it is a giveaway. Bye.